This radar detector sees the future? Escort Max 360c MKII plus M2-Chem bundle hands-on. You ever feel like the universe is out to get you, especially when you're driving? 1 minute you're vibing, next thing you know, a sudden radar beep, random alerts that scream slow down, criminal, and you're slamming the brakes like it's Mario Kart. It's exhausting. The paranoia. The false alarms. The constant mental ping-pong trying to figure out if you're actually in danger or your detector's just playing games. Add to that a dash cam that records in potato quality, and you're left feeling frustrated, overwhelmed, and straight up distracted. Tech's supposed to help, right? Not stress you out. Now amplify that chaos. Picture this. You miss a crucial red light cam alert because your outdated radar detector cried wolf 10 times already. Or worse, you get sideswiped and realize your dashcam was more of a decorative box than an actual witness. Your tools let you down when you needed them most. Not cool. These aren't just tiny annoyances, they're the kind of misses that lead to tickets, stress, and missed evidence in real emergencies. It's a digital jungle out there, and relying on weak gear is like bringing a fork to a sword fight. Not ideal. That's why the Escort Max 360c MKII plus M2 Smart Dashcam bundle is here to flip the script. Imagine a radar detector that actually knows what it's doing. With 50% longer range, Blackfin DSP lightning speed processing, and GPS-based alerts that don't cry wolf, the Max 360c MKII is your ride-or-die highway companion. Now paired with the M2-Cam, full HD 1080p video, built-in Wi-Fi, cloud access, and automatic emergency alerts, and boom, you're suddenly Tony Stark behind the wheel. It's next-gen defense, wrapped in sleek, American-engineered badassery. With Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, everything's integrated, smooth, and instantly accessible on your dash. You'll glide through speed traps, laser zones, red light cams and traffic surprises with Jedi-level awareness. The M2's emergency alert system could literally save your life, no hyperbole. And the Drive Smarter app ties it all together, syncing your route, alerts, and video into one seamless experience. This isn't just a gadget, it's your new sixth sense. Say goodbye to false alarms, hello to peace of mind, and enjoy a dramatically quieter, more focused drive every single time. Ready to drive with God-tier awareness? Then don't wait, bundles are flying and smart drivers aren't hesitating. This is the future of in-car safety and situational superpowers, and it's yours for the taking. Join thousands who've already ditched the guesswork and leveled up with Escort. Get the Max 360c MKII plus M2-Cam bundle today, and drive like you know what's coming. Because now, you do. Hit that link. Own the road. Stay ahead.